Fresh water is essential for life, but it's a scarce resource. Only about 0.5% of fresh water is available for use, which makes conserving fresh water essential for a sustainable future. One way to conserve fresh water is through rainwater harvesting systems. Cisterns are one method to catch fresh water and store it for later use. Cisterns are located at downspouts that channel water into the barrel from a larger impermeable surface such as a roof. When determining which size of cistern to use, it's important to know the amount of water needed and the volume of water you can capture on the surface. In the Midwest, a simple approximation is about 0.62 gallons of water are captured per square foot of rooftop. For example, 500 square feet of roof can collect nearly 300 gallons of water from a 1-inch storm. Cisterns come in many different sizes to match your needs. Lastly, it's important to consider the end use of the captured water. For example, a cistern can be used to water a garden. If that's the goal, the cistern should be placed near the garden. For watering around vegetables, filter systems for the downspout and a first flush system should be used to remove debris and reduce contaminants. Water the soil rather than on the leafy part of the plant, or install surface irrigation to minimize contact between edible produce and captured rainwater. Always wash any produce before you eat it. For more resources on constructing and maintaining cisterns, connect with the Purdue Extension Rainscaping Education Program.